What it is, good chat? Welcome back to another video, bro. I'm back now. We're back on trading because our last business model, dropship, all that. I had to be 18 because I live in Europe, all of that shit. We're back on trading. You might be like, how can you trade? I can trade. I'm not gonna say it, but someone made an account for me. Yeah. So I'm gonna trade NASDAQ. So it's not really NASDAQ like that. I trade this. This is just in Europe, but it's the exact same. It moves the exact same way. And right now, what we're looking for is on the 5 minute. We have everything set up. We gotta. I feel like. Wait, hold up. Let me just look at this. We gotta disrespect the 5 minute fair value gap if we wanna get what we. No, we did actually sweep this, but now we could come down to the main zone. See, we did come up sweep, then we come down to this, and then this could be a breakout, or we could literally just go in and absolute no. Maybe it's an inverse fair value gap we get right here, but I feel like we definitely gotta disrespect. For the 15 minutes to be right, I feel like we gotta disrespect the, what's it called? Hello? Oh yeah, that's the thing, it doesn't fucking work. We gotta disrespect the 5 minute fair value gap. I don't think there's gonna be a trade today. We do have a demand zone, not the great, not a very bad demand zone actually. Let me just look here, another bad demand zone. This is at least a little better demand zone because it does a big move, but we wanted to create a fair value gap for us, which it doesn't. So that's not a good one. I was expecting it. Oh, I mean, we could come down, bounce into this fair value gap, but if we want that again, the 5 minute fair value gap, it just has to. Or wait, hold up. No, it actually looks perfect. Other than if we create a fair value gap now, it has to be disrespected and just go up, and then we are hitting this because we have equal highs up here, which was made last Friday. Then we have Asia session low right down here, which we could come down and sweep to, disrespect this, create a fair value gap, come up, retrace that fair value gap. I'm thinking I'm gonna look to get a trade at 15:30 because New York session opens at that time. If you look at my when yeah. So I think all that shit could happen, and then at the process we get a break of structure on the 5 or 1 minute, and we just gonna go ahead and hit the equal highs. Look at here, it's equal highs on this too, and we are looking. What are we even looking today? I mean, see higher low, and then create a higher high. I think we're very bullish today. At least on this right here, I think this is what we're gonna trade. Yeah, we're bullish. No, we're actually on the 4 hour we're bearish. On the 1 hour, on the daily we're also bearish, but I feel like we could come ahead and get maybe a retrace in the past next days on this. And then maybe we see a retrace down to a demand zone down here, which is this, which we just got. So it's just gonna be bullish. I think we're bullish on the day to day. So I'll just catch up to you guys when the trade hits. Alright, we're back. Alright, there's literally just let's just watch it for the next 2 minutes and 15 seconds. If this breaks above, I think we're gonna buy. Then I don't know where we're looking, but I think we're gonna disrespect this fair value gap a lot. I'm actually not sure about it though. I feel like I have a feeling that it's gonna go up, and then now look, after this one, it's gonna go down. So this could be a sweep off of this. I mean, this did sweep this, so this is the order block. We have an OP, and then we have pushed into that OP, so that means we could go ahead and chat. Let's just look at this for a sec. I see big money in this, if we break above and then we see a buy up here or some shit like that, maybe a TP up here, so the trade will look like this. Let me just put it on. So let's say we break above right here. Take profit right there. Stop loss right here. This is take profit This is take profit number one. See, this is a very, this is not so good. And then our take profit number two would be up here, but that's a 2.8 RR, which is not the best again. I mean, I feel like our, yeah, but that's the right, oh, yeah, that's like the only right thing. Shit, I don't know. I think that's gonna be like how it's gonna look, to be honest. Well, if I take it, I haven't taken it yet. Y'all will be able to see if I want to take. I'm not gonna take away the money today. I'm just gonna take a little chill pill today. Um, but let's just see. 30 seconds. Could look at the 1 minute here. 1 minute. We have a 1 minute break above sweep two though. 1 minute sweep. Go down. Go down into the fair value gap, but that's 1 minute, so it doesn't really do the biggest. I mean, it only has a chance now. Now or never, bro. 5 seconds. Yeah, it might have just been a sweep, bro. I mean, there's still chances. I'll come back, bro. See y'all in a bit. So today is not gonna be a long video. I'm just breaking it now. Um, we're only gonna trade NASDAQ, and I gotta go now, so I can't keep recording, or else, yeah, I will just show my final trade if we break structure right here. And I think we will definitely go to try to hit either this demand zone or maybe come down and hit some of these lows. But yeah, not the end of the video, but it's like the end of the like where you go like and see every little process. But you'll just see the end trade how it looks. I won't reveal too much of my own strategy too much. So, but yeah, so after looking further, there is no real trade today. With now we see lower lows and lower highs. And on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, we saw the market being very bullish and that we want to trade bullish and not bearish. So, um, yeah, this is probably not a great trade day. It might go bearish, but we're more in the bullish side today, so we're not going to take a trade. But this is a good day, you know? We still learned a lot from it, you know? So, yeah, I'll see y'all tomorrow, bro. Peace out. Peace out.